I've been waiting much too long to get it on. It's the same old song, now correct me if I'm wrong. I got the hots, you got the light steaming like 100 watts, ready to blow a fuse. Nigga, you's about to lose. If you pass on this, I got the butter kiss, so you can't resist. Now I'ma get you by all means necessary. I'm never secondary, no need to worry.
I ain't gon' settle for no one. I ain't gon' get the reasons to say no. And if I give you a notion, that only signals I'm ready for you to come on. Wait till tomorrow. Don't stay a while. I've been waiting. Bring your love on. Come on, come on, yeah, come on. Oh, don't be shy, boy, come on now. We talked about this for quite some time. Oh yeah, you know you want me, oh baby, like I want you. So boy, don't front and say you will be mine. Ooh, wait till tomorrow. Don't be so. Hear me out, hear me out, hear me out. Whoa, bring it on, baby. Come on.
Hot damn, now here he come again. I wanna share my world and let the nigga in. I'm made up of sugar and spice and everything nice. I got a lot of goodies for a woody with the hoodie. So how it be? You putting out the fire, what? Bring out the best in me. Ain't you got no guts, huh? All this time I've been anticipating. Come on, love, I'm through with the waiting.
Wait till tomorrow, baby. Stay a while. Stay a while. I've been waiting for you. Bring your love. Come on, come on, come on. Oh baby, baby, stay a while, boy. I've been waiting. Ooh, baby, bring your love, bring it on. Come on, yeah, come on, come
Here it is, a groove slightly transformed. Just a bit of a break from the norm. Just a little something to break the monotony of all that hardcore dance that has gotten to be a little bit out of control. It's cool to dance, but what about a groove that soothes and moves romance? Give me a soft, subtle mix, and if it ain't broke, then don't try to fix it. And think of the summers of the past. Adjust the bass and let the alpine blast. Pop in my CD and let me run a rhyme and put your car on cruise and lay back, cause it's summertime.
Summertime.
it's hot and girls are dressing less and checking out the fellas to tell them who's best. Riding around in your Jeep or your Benzos, or in your Nissan sitting on Lorenzo's. Back in Philly, we be out in the park. A place called the Plateau is where everybody go. Guys out hunting and girls doing likewise, honking at the honey in front of you with the light eyes. She turn around and see what you beeping at. It's like the summer's a natural aphrodisiac, and with a pen and pad I compose this rhyme to hit you and to get you equipped for the summertime. Yeah, I got on sneaks, but I need a new pair, cause basketball courts in the summer got girls there. The temperature's about 88. Hop in the water plug, just for old time's sake. Break to your crib, change your clothes once more, cause you're invited to a barbecue to start at 4. Sitting with your friends as y'all reminisce about the days growing up and the first person you kiss. And as I think back, makes me wonder how the smell from a grill can spark up nostalgia. All the kids playing out front, little boys messing around with their girls playing double dutch, while the DJ spinning a tune as the old folks dance at your family reunion. Then 6 o'clock rolls around, you just finished wiping your car down. It's time to cruise, so you go to the summertime hangout. It looks like a car show. Everybody come looking real fine, fresh from the barbershop or fly from the beauty salon. Every moment frontin' and maxin', chillin' in the car, they spend all day waxin'. Leanin' to the side, but you can't speed through 2 miles an hour, so everybody sees you. There's an air of love and of happiness, and this is the Fresh Prince's new definition of summer madness.
Yo, don't give him nothing but a microphone. Don't stop, I'm not finished yet. You said I'm not the E, you wanna make it better. Remember this, lounge you in the danger zone. I figured you would, now leave me alone. You pick and you wish on the 4-leaf clover to be the E-double-E. Over and over, you intrigued by the way I do my thing. Do what? You got the mic high and make it swing.
I have the capability to rap and chill, coax and tax MCs who tend to act ill. It's like a dig 'em smack. You smack me and I'll smack your back. I get goosebumps when the baseline thumps. A sucker MC on ride. Now it's time for lunch. When I'm cooling on the scene, I notice one thing: I'm not bounced. So sucker MCs cling. I consider myself better than average. Yo, I rock the mic like a wild beast savage.
I'm in the boggling state, I can't concentrate. I make a move like chess, and I yell checkmate. You know why I get zanier and zanier? Because of the PMD man. And when I walk through the crowd, I can see heads turning. I hear voices saying that's Eric Sermon, not only from the women, but from the men. You know what? It feels good, my friend.
I'm the P-double-E, the thriller of Manila. Better known as the MC Cold Killer. PMD's goal is to keep the place jumping. And if not, we feel we owe you something. It's like lotto, you have to be in it to win it. But if the beat is fresh, then Diamond J will spin it. If J's spinning it, it has to be deaf to make you dance until there's no one left.
Cause you a customer. Praying like a prey when the boxing action. I smell blood, no time for max and camouflage in the green. My back is arc, plus you in trouble cause it's after dark. My eyes closed like Steve Austin, I got you in the square. I would let you run, nah, that ain't fair. So I cleared my visions, so I can spot him, snatch him up by the neck and say, I got him.
By now MCs, you're in over your head. My rhymes are hungry, plus they haven't been fed. The process of elimination's quite simple. Let you grow like a blackhead and pop you like a pimple. Slice you like lettuce, toss you like a salad. Revoke your MC license if your rhyme's invalid. As we go on, sucker MC sound whacker. Like a parrot says, Polly wants a cracker.
There was a rap contest, nothing we can handle. At a house that had the mics on the mantle. Looked at the DJ and said, may I? And lit it up like the 4th of July. Because I float like a butterfly, sting like a bee. No, I'm the E of your PMD. I have a strong point of view on the way things run. Just shut up and listen and learn, my son.
Absorb that ass like bounty. The quicker pick her up, I tell you up front. You're nothing but a sucker. The style we're using is no doubt copacetic. You try to bite and yet sound pathetic. Design my rhymes like a tailor, floating like a sailor. As the P gets stronger, MCs get staler. Not bragging or tagging, surely not fagging. MCs surrender, raise the flags and give up the titles, but the signs are vital. I keep the voice tuned at a slow and swift idle.
Are you a customer?
Get down, get down, get down, get down, get down, get down.
I need a man meal sandwich, yes, I need manwich. I feel good now, it's time to do damage. I feel like battling, you know what I mean? Wanna rhyme one time to release the steam. When I got the mic, I get you mad like an actor. You know why I get over, I'm the master. I do a show packer, then two is clamming up. Look for the microphone, then I jam it up.
You said you see me jamming at New York Tech. You got one right, fella, you deserve a check. How did you know? You must have been jocking. How else would you know? The places I be rocking. Don't follow me, fella. Every move that I make. I'm hostile now, so I give you a break. Research upon me, but don't go past the limit. Here's my card, and on the back is my fan club digits.
There's two things to check out the words that I'm saying. Plus listen to the good top playing. The boy is bad. The strings he's plucking, fire rhyme after rhyme. Watch MC ducking.
MCs, it's the final countdown. You look tight, can you go the round? If you can, I'll slap your hand and give you credit. And if not, I turn around and say forget it. They say that I'm a party pooper. That's not true, I'm a born out trooper.
You a customer.
Smitty G,
You a customer.
boy Wayne. SCSU.
Yo, we out here like that,
Find your own way to stay. The time will come one day. reputation. I don't care what you do to them, just be good to me. Friends are always telling me you're a user. I don't care what you do to them, just be good to me. Just be good to me.
Tank fly, boss walk, jam, nitty gritty. You're listening to the boy from the big bad city. This is jam hot. This is jam hot.
Love is a game of chances, so I'll take my chance with you. And you, I won't try to change. We talk about it, and I'd rather have a piece of you than all of nothing. Just be good to me. In the morning, just be good to me. In the afternoon, just be good to me. Yeah, just be good to me. Just be good to jealous kind. I won't tie you down when you need me. I'll be around. I'll be good to you. You'll be good to me. We could be together. Be
Answering any other service, prerogative, praise positively, I'm acquitted. Enemies publicly shame my utility. After the battle, their admittance, I'm with it. Simply soothe, well moved, vinyl like glue. Transistors are never more shown with. Like when vocal flow brings it all down in ruins. Due to a clue of a naughty noise called plug tuning. Flowing in fly with a new style. Barrels are cleaned and loaded for salute. Chances with the choice standing steady like my mouthpiece. Paragraph preacher is now introduced. Drums are heard sounding off in each and every person. Vocal confetti is thrown at top stage. Roses and violets on proper for throwing for showing appreciation. Why? This is a daisy age. Hands won't sweat cause there's no threat. Michael stay dry while places so loose. Rhymes on fables, but stable to be on time. Cause they market it and label speak apostles. The stitch will fit with every consumer. Microphone use in self will start blooming. Profit and cost could never be lost or due to a clue of a naughty noise called plug tuning. Gaze at the sight of a method, dive beneath the depth of a never-ending verse, gasping and swallowing every last letter. Vocalized liquid holds the quench of your thirst. Reason for the rhythm is for causes unknown. Different individuals are dazzled with the showbiz. Auditions are gathered, but the soul would just rather hold a count at 3 and in the end leave it as it is. Flow to the sway of my do-re. Me out freaks, lunatics who will haunt. Words are sent to the vents of humans, then converted to a phrase called talk. Musical notes will send a new motto. Every last poem is recited at noon. Focus is set, let your Polaroids click as we capture the essence of a naughty noise called plug tuning. Vocal in doubt is an uplift, and real is the answer that I answer with. Dying
fine yet live, but what you must realize that the tune that I present is surely not a gift. Different in style is definite, and style which I flaunt is sure legit. Now set aside, I say I hold pride in performing this melodic misfit. So swing cause this picture is pitching. Incense JD Dove is now saying, all sing along to his favorite song while the pocket transistors are playing. But least but not last, I'm frightened, for the words that I reply hold doom. Life of the chant can be stopped by accident when you're tripping the wire of the plug tune.
Fly guys, fly guys, fly guys, fly guys, fly guys, fly guys.
Fly guy is a title like a PhD. It permits you to operate in surgery. Fly guys are alike, but never the same. Some even have the names in the Hall of Fame. And fly guys always love to mingle, but most of all, fly guys are single. Fly guys are the ones that never fret, can exert to an extreme, but will not sweat. Fly guys are always on the top, no matter which field they choose to rock. Whether doctors of anatomy or teachers of astronomy, some fly guys have lots of use. Fly guys aren't born, they are produced, and the only ones that make it are the ones with the juice.
Fly guys, fly guys, fly guys, fly guys, fly guys, fly guys.
Fly guys in the place, just listen to me. Here's a brief definition from Lady T. Fly guys are the ones that take you out and show all the fly girls that they got clout. They take you to romantic places, smiles on their faces, tour around the world and won't leave any traces. Most of all, fly guys are great lovers. They do their best work after dark and undercovers. Fly guys drive around in limousines, just like the ones in the magazines. They have a hearty appetite for expensive things, like big fur coats and diamond rings. They don't buy things because they're cheaper, and the only way to reach them is to dial their beeper.
Fly guys, fly guys, fly guys, fly guys, fly guys, fly guys.
Fly guys are the ones that have ambition. If they're told it won't work, they just don't listen. Fly guys keep pushing to the T.O.P. no matter what obstacles they see. Fly guys are the joint, I must confess. Not the first or the worst, they are the best. Fly guys wear whatever suits their taste, be it big gold chains or hats with lace. And some win medals in Olympic races, some make peace in foreign places. I know a fly guy with sparkle socks, and when he busts on stage and put a crowd in shock. When fly guys rock, they rock hardcore. That's why they charge admission at the door. When the door swings open, the jam will commence, and any damage done's in self-defense. Fly guys are the ones we'd pay to see, cause when they rock the house, it's history. Everybody takes heed to what they say, and the freaks gather round when they start to play.
Fly guys, fly guys, fly guys, fly guys, fly guys, fly guys.
Fly guys are the men that just don't care, because they're known to be seen in most everywhere. Like the places I go and the things that I do. You know, I even started my own fly guy crew. Fly guys are cool and big money makers, like the ones you read about in all the newspaper. Fly guys are the one most everyone knows, the ones who pulls up in the stretch limos, driving up to the places that you always wanted. They have much money and they will flaunt it. Fly guys are the ones who sends the ladies in the rage, like the ones you go to see performing live on stage. Fly guys are the men with the castles and yachts, and their only desire is to be on top.
Fly guys, fly guys, fly guys, fly guys, fly guys, fly guys.
Mike Master Trick, yes, the super fly guy, and been one since I was knee high. And if you ask the question, I'll tell you why. I am a super fly guy. I don't waste no time, I get to the point. That is why I am the joint. Yes, to be a fly guy, you got to be on. When you just finished, others just begun. Fly guys set trends, they're leaders of many. Heroes in the army and reapers of plenty. Fly guys are the ones that win awards. In any category, they are the Lord. In any location, get a standing ovation. Get a 365-day paid vacation. With crowd participation, rock any fly nation. And through the duration, they got motivation. You can hear them pumping strong on your radio station. In this occupation, there's no deviation. With fly girls rocking your public relations.
Fly guys, fly guys, fly guys, fly guys, fly guys, fly guys.
I'm mixing magic, M-A-G-I-C. Fly guy on the wheels is who I be. I can give a demonstration at a party, and still 2 weeks later they're screaming for me, cause I can leave a deep impression while I'm teaching you a lesson, and my name will keep progressing down the road.
Ooh.
And if you wanna see a double, then there's definitely trouble. After me, they broke the mold, and I'm on extinct. Catch fly guy on the scratch, sit tight while I put you on hold.
Fly guys, fly guys, fly guys.
Relax and take
fly
notes
guys,
while I
fly
take totes of the
guys.
marijuana smoke. Throw you in the choke, don't smoke, don't smoke. Biggie smoke for mayor, the rap slayer, the hooker layer. Motherfucker, say your prayers. Hail Mary, full of grace. Smack the bitch in the face, take her Gucci bag and a North Face off her back. Jab her if she act funny with the money. Oh, you got me mistaken, honey. I don't wanna rape ya, I just want the paper, the visa, capisha. I'm out like the vapors. Who's the one you call Mr. Macho? The head honcho, swift fist like Kumacho. I got so much style, I should be down with the stylistic. Make up to break up, niggas need to wake up. Smell the Indonesia, lead you to a seizure. Then fuck your moms, hit the skins to amnesia. She don't remember shit, just the 2 hits. Her hitting the floor, and me hitting the clips. Sucking on the tits, had the hooker begging for the dick. And your moms ain't ugly, love, my dick got rocked quick. I guess I was a combination of House of Pain and Bobby Brown. I was hopping around and jumping around. Jacked her, then I asked her who's the man. She said B.I.G. Then I bust in her E.Y.E. Yo, you're dead wrong.
The weak of the strong, who got it going on? You're dead wrong. The weak of the strong, who got it going on?
When I get dusted, I like to spread the blood like mustard. Trust it, my hardcore rain leaves you rusted. Move over, Lucifer, I'm more ruthless. Leave you toothless, you kip it, I flip it. Tears don't affect me, I hit them with the tech G. Disrespect me, my potency is deadly. I'm shooting babies, no ifs, ands, or maybes. Hit mummy in the tummy if the hooker plays a dummy. Slit the wrist, a little sis. After she sucked the dick, I stabbed her brother with the ice pick. Because he wanted me to fuck him from the back. But Smalls don't get down like that. Found your father hiding in the room. Fucked him with the broom. Slid him down the back and threw salt in the wound. Who you think you're dealing with? Anybody step into my path is fucking feeling it. Hardcore, I got it sucked like a pussy. Stab you to your gushy, so please don't push me. I'm using rubber so they won't trace the semen. The black demon got the little hooker screaming. Because you know I love it young, fresh and green, with no hair in between, know what I mean?
The weak of the strong, who got it going on? You're dead wrong. The weak of the strong, who got it going on? You're dead wrong.